that cheered me right up. This should too. Fairly certain I know what's in all of these today. Have hit the point where I've, got enough for now. And we're just sort of adding details. And one of them is this phenomenal Morse code sending device from Operation Moonbase. Same guy who had the capsule last week. I think he had a couple other knickknacks from it. That's how it works. I was wondering how it worked. I'm thinking, they got to have a spring in it or something. And then the best part is the Morse code chart there, so you can send your. And now I don't know why you'd be using a Morse code sending device on the surface of the moon. That's a good question, but awesome, fantastic. A little bit of space gear for that touch of verisimilitude. Let's check out whether it can stand. It stands marvelously. And what is that now? Like, I've got the 12 figures. I've got the one ATV. I got the space capsule. And this. So I've got like what, 70 out of 85 pieces?